All right, let's take a look at the CFU for 5.61. Hopefully you've had time to try to practice and do some of these on your own. So we'll do the CFU followed by, I'll key up the worksheet so that you can check to see how you do on the worksheets. So on the first few here, it just says rewrite in logarithmic form and then solve for x. All right, so what we want to remember here is to rewrite in log form, we go log the base 10 of the number 0.001 equals x. So x is now by itself, so I take log of the number divided by log of the base, and that will give me what x equals. So calculator time, log of 0.001, close the parenthesis, divided by, whoops, helps if I hit divide by, log of 10, and I get x equals -3. All right, the next one, same process. Log, my base is 10, my number is 21, equals x. So log of 21 over log of 10 equals x. So x equals, so log of 21 divided by log of 10, we get 1.322. I believe that was the same problem as the one on the other side, or in the notes. So the next one, gotta get the exponent piece by itself. So 10 to the x equals, divide by 5, 19. So now I'm gonna write it in log form. Base is 10, number is 19, equals x. So log of 19 over log of 10 equals x. So log of 19 divided by log of 10. So x equals 1.279. All right, that takes care of those first three. All right, next one says rewrite again, still doing the same thing, but now we're just going to have some different numbers. So log base is 3, number is 729, equals x. Change a base, so log of 729 over log of 3. So on my calculator, log of 729 divided by log of 3, close the parenthesis, x equals 6. On the next one, log, my base is 2, my number is 8,192. Sorry, I kind of wrote it weird there. Now we'll do log of the number over log of the base. So log of 8,192 divided by log of 2. And I get, x equals 13. This part seems to forget to write that x part. All right, log. My base is 5. My number is 118. It equals x. Change a base. Log of 118 over log of 5 equals x. So x equals log of 118 divided by log of 5. So x equals 2.964. Last one. Log, my base is 0.24, my number is 15, that equals, x. So I have log of my number over log of my base, 0.24, equals x. So log of 15 divided by log of 0.24 equals, x equals -1.896. All right, next ones. Now it says rewrite in exponential form and solve. So this is going in reverse. So my base is 2, my exponent is 4, it equals a number. 2 to the 4th power is simply 16. No base here, so we assume 10. So base is 10, number is 3, exponent is 3, number is x. 10 to the 3rd power is a 1 with 3 zeros after it. So x is 1,000. Okay. Here the base again is 10. So 10 to the negative 2 power equals x. So x equals 0.01. If you're unsure of that, 10 raised to the negative 2 power. This moves the decimal over 2 spots. The last one, base is 81. Exponent is 1/2 equals x. 81 to the 1/2 power is like taking the square root. X equals 9, just to show you. 81 raised to the 1 divided by 2 power. Hopefully you remember. Yeah, 1/2 is like taking the square root. I help pre-calc kids with that, remembering that fact from time to time. All right, let's take a look at number 5, the word problem. It says the population of Hopkins is 2013 was 18,025 people and growing at an annual rate of 3%. At this rate, how long will it take for the population to double? Okay, so to double this number, doubling 18 is 36, doubling 25 is 50. So 36,050 people is what we want at the end. We start with 18,250, 1 plus the interest rate as a decimal, raised to the exponent. Mr. Bartz remembered it this time. Okay. So now we want to divide both sides by 18,025. When you do, you'll notice that just becomes 2. It's doubling. So it's 1.03 to the x power. Exponential form and the variables in the exponent, let's write it in log form. Log base 1.03 of the number 2 equals x. Change of base, log of 2 over log of 1.03 is my final x value. So log of 2 divided by log of 1.03, that equals, x equals about 23 if we want to say 45 years. Wow, well, that's good. It's not doubling super quick. Nonetheless, twice as many people. All right, so now let's take a look at your assignment. So try your assignment, but remember that it's in this video here. Your assignment is to do the next 2 worksheets. So this one says, who always goes to bed with shoes on? So I'm going to switch this up a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. So it says, cross out the letter that matches your answer. The remaining letters will allow you to figure out the joke. Sounds good. So it says, write the following logarithms in exponential form. Sweet. So let's practice this. Base is 2, exponent is 5, equals the number. So let's see if we can match that up. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. It says cross that one out. Number 2, okay? Base is 4, exponent is 3, equals 64. Notice how these are true statements. It's an easy way to check to make sure you're doing it right. So 4 to the 3rd power does equal 64. Next one, 25 to the 1/2 power equals 5. Yeah, the square root of 25 is 5. So let's match that one up. Next one, 5 to the negative 2 power equals 1 over 25. Yeah, remember how this becomes 5 squared, but in the bottom? Yeah, that one does match up. All right, so let's see where that one's hidden. Right there. All right, we've eliminated. We got 3 more to eliminate. So now it says, write the following in log form. All right, log base 3 of the number 81 equals 4. See if we can find that one. Log base 3 of 81 equals 4. Crosses out. Okay, next one. Log, my base is 7. My number is 1 over 49 equals negative 2. Cross that one out. Last one. Log, base is 4 of the number 1,024 equals the exponent 5. Cross that one out. What are we left with? The word horse. Of course, Who always goes to bed with shoes on? Horses. They wear horseshoes. Funny. All right. Next one says, evaluate the following logarithms. Round your answers to the nearest hundred. So they only go out to 2 decimal places. So here we're doing like the change of base all the time here. So on the first one, log of 28 divided by log of 3. So calculator time, log of 28 divided by log of 3. When I enter that in, I get 3.03, 3.03. So number 1, right there. So go down to my puzzle, and I put a 0. Oh, I forgot to read the joke. What do you call a mad astronaut? Ooh, I'm interested to see what that says. All right, next one. Change of base, so log of the number, 41, over log of the base. Is that a 5? Yeah, sorry. Sometimes when I stand so close, it's hard to read. So log of 41 divided by log of 5. Enter that in, 2.31. 2.31. Oh, there it is. U is for 2. Just want to make sure no letters repeat. All right, do the next one. Log of the number, log of 1/4. I'm going to write that as a decimal, 0.25, over log of the base 6. So log 0.25 divided by log of 6. Negative 0.77. See, negative 0.77. So T for 3. Okay. Next one, we have log of the number 64 over log of 8. So let's see, log of 64 divided by log of 8. Whoops, I must have typed in something wrong. What happened? Oh, I had an extra parentheses in there. Hit enter. Shoo! Get a 2. Wow, nice whole number 2. T again. So number 4 is a T. All right, next one. Log of 7 over log of 7. Well, they're the same. Guess what it's going to be? I'm just going to save us some time. R is 1. So for number 5, R. Ooh, log of 23. Remember, if there's no base, we can put a base 10. So this is log of 23 over log of 10. In fact, on your calculator, you could just actually go log of 23 and you would get the answer. You wouldn't have to divide it by the log of 10. 1.36. That is A for 6. All right. This one here, we got 2 of them to do. We have to do log of 4 divided by log of 3 and add that to log of 5 over log of 2. So let's use our calculator and let's do a lot of the work for us. Divide by log of 3. We can go plus log of 5 divided by log of 2. 3.58. Let's see, 3.58 right there. N is number 7. All right, last one. Log of 9 over log of 7. So now we're going to go subtract log of 2 over log of 6. So log of 9 divided by log of 7 minus log of 2 divided by log of 6. Hit enter. 0.7423 or just 0.74, sorry. Right there, S. What do you call a mad astronaut? An astronut. Funny joke. Anyway, that takes care of all the notes and work for Chapter 5. The next thing will be the review packet. See you then.